What's up, y'all? What's up? It's me. I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna do a little commentary. This is gonna be a quick video because I didn't really vlog too much about this, but me and my man Gav, we actually, he's a photographer, and this is around like spring break. We threw a photo shoot. He threw a photo shoot party, right? Started on the beach for the whole weekend, and we wound up booking, instead of just one penthouse, we actually booked the whole top floor. So during the day it was mostly always just me, just watching him work with the models. So basically him, handful of photographers, all models. And then after that, we had a lot of fun, a lot of fun. So we're gonna probably, we're gonna do another photo shoot party again. And when I tell you, man, this thing is fun, man. You guys have no idea. So I'm going through here. I'm sipping on my drink. We're just having a good time. But like I said, this is a quick video because I didn't record the whole thing. I couldn't find all the footage, but I wanted to post this for y'all. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and share.
She kinky, she tryna handcuff me, bitch. I ain't know you was a Jakes. I put my pinky ring. Yeah, babe, I'm tryna see how you taste it. That wrong, zero China, and damn, Tony. I don't actually know your homework. I wanna be one of the homies here that pussy don't be acting phony. Like, only, you're the opposite of phony. Anybody like a phony, I would be one of them. Money.
Yeah, I like that one. I like these ones. Oh yeah, you right.
I go, you already started to make it messy. I don't need you hanging out with bitches.